Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Devon Road and we are going to give you a tour of the Halo apartment complex. Now this is a 10-story building. It's going to be residential and it's going to have 71 apartments in it. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Kingston, Jamaica continues to evolve as a dynamic urban center, and the construction of Halo Apartments at 7 Devon Road stands as a striking symbol of this transformation. Located in the heart of the city, directly across from the iconic Devon House, Halo Apartments is a luxury residential development that reflects the growing demand for modern, high-end urban living spaces in Jamaica's capital. Scheduled for completion in December 2025, the project promises to redefine the standards of upscale residential living in the country. The development is being spearheaded by Coast to Coast Group, with construction handled by Jingdu Construction Jamaica, a prominent player in Jamaica's evolving real estate and infrastructure landscape. The building is designed as a 10-story tower, and when finished, it will house 71 contemporary apartment units. These units are primarily one-bedroom, 1.5-bathroom layouts ranging in size from 660 to 740 square feet, while some premium units stretch up to 1,135 square feet. Prices start around 40 million Jamaican dollars and can go as high as 59 million Jamaican, positioning the project in the luxury real estate market. From an architectural perspective, Halo Apartment embodies sleek, modern design, floor-to-ceiling windows, minimalistic finishes, porcelain tile flooring, and open-plan layouts characterize the interiors, while the exterior boasts a clean, modern silhouette with concrete accents. But it's not just the aesthetics that make Halo a standout project. It's the suite of amenities. Future residents will enjoy access to a rooftop infinity pool, a fully equipped gym, underground parking, 24-hour security, and elevator access, among other conveniences. These features combine to offer a living experience that rivals high-end hotels and international condominium standards. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Not sure about the December 2025 completion date, but we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.